Basically, we are going to continue from the previous video to continue customizing our store. So go to online store, themes, then you can see our generated images, but go to customize, click on customize button here. These are some keyboard shortcuts like to undo, redo, save, preview inspectors, then see all shortcuts. This will be different for Windows. So yeah, we have, if you click on element, like I said before, you see the render settings by the right. So let's go to the sidebar by your left here. You can hide, delete a section or a block. So for example, in the header, you head over to this three dot icon, you can move a section up and down like so. So now it's below the header here, and you can move on that section like so. There you have it. Just drag it and it will move accordingly. You can undo, like I said earlier. So let's try on that section. Let's try the template layout area. You can hide a block, or you can unhide it or show. You can delete, but I won't delete it. You can do the same thing with the footer layout area. You can add a new section in the footer. So let's try and add a frequently asked question here. So all you have to do is just to click on the add section here, then search for the section you want. Just make sure you're in the section tab. Yeah, so click on FAQ here, and there you have it. You can use this render setting by the right. So let's say you want to change the text, you can just come here and change it here if you want to. Yeah, so there's just a way to customize your theme. I also want to mention that in the header and footer, any changes you make will be applied to all pages in your store. Alright, so when you click on an element or a block, there's this option that says moves to previous position. So for example, you click on this button here, move to previous position, it takes you above the text here, and you can move backward. So it can take you back to the original position. You can't drag it like so, just like Wix or WordPress. You can only do it by this in the sidebar by your left. Yeah, so that's it for the positioning of block or section. You can undo, you will make mistake at any point, right? So just try and play around it to get more idea on how to use this option. I'm not going to talk about this product section here because we have to assign products. That we'll do in another lecture. Just like you can add a section in your sidebar, you can also add in the preview area. Just by mousing over each section, you can see a preview image by your right. And I think banner is best for the hero section. So I'm going to choose the hero bottom aligned. Yeah. But if, for example, you are in the products section, then the collection might be good for you. The collection section, or you can go to layout, products sections. So for here, I'm going to choose the arrow bottom aligned. I'm going to take it below, just below this arrow banner here. So there you have it. So you can delete it just like we can in the left sidebar, or you hide or you duplicate. So I'm going to delete. Another thing I like about theme is that they provide navigation bar out of the box for you, even the free plan. Well, some page builders might not be able to create a nav bar, especially the ones that are interactive. Like for example, if I click on here, it's going to show you other pages link here, or I click on the search. Yeah, so it's very flexible. I love the way Shopify does their thing. You can edit here, although we are going to create our collections later on or create products.